Mother Teresa once quoted a very beautiful line which has so much meaning and depth. She said, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am your host for this beautiful evening, Ms. Dhanya Bappanad. It is my honor to welcome all the dignitaries, the guests, and all our well-wishers on behalf of all of us at the Aloka Foundation to our very first virtual event, which is the logo launch of Aloka Foundation. I feel honored to welcome the main pillars of Aloka Foundation, our President, Professor Pramod Kumar Sir, our Secretary, Dr. Manohar Nayak Sir, and our Treasurer, Mrs. Kantini Pramod Kumar Ma'am, to this auspicious occasion. I am profusely elated to also take this opportunity to welcome our guest of honor for the evening. A warm welcome to Dr. Sudhakar Bangera, Dr. Mohammad Salaluddin, Dr. Mohammad Kulzar Ahmed Sir, Professor R. Ravindra Sir, Professor Prashant Kharkar Sir, Mr. Giridhar Kamath Sir, and Mr. Nidhi Shetty, who will be shortly joining us. I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome our mentors whose guidance helped us to build this organization. Hearty welcome, Mrs. Seema, Dr. Anna Rao Kulkarni, and Mrs. Nisha Singh. Change can be accomplished most of all through the power of prayer, because with God all things are possible. Thus, to seek blessings from the Almighty, I now request Miss Prerna Jain to sing a prayer song.
मन की शक्ति नीडू मनव जैसलू पररगिलुव ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನವಗೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀಡು ಭೇದ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಮನವು ದೂರವಾಗಲು ಪರರ ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲು ಮಿಥ್ಯದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಸರಿದು ಸತ್ಯ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ಮಿಥ್ಯದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಸರಿದು ಸತ್ಯ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ಪರರ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನವಗೆಲ್ಲಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀಡು ಓಂ ಸರ್ವೇ ಭವಂತು ಸುಖಿನಃ ಸರ್ವೇ ಸಂತು ನಿರಾಮಯಃ ಸರ್ವೇ ಭದ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶ್ಯಂತು ಮಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿತ್ ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
I would like to request Ms. Janita Vegas to introduce our guest of honor for today's evening.
Thank you, Danya. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce today's guest of honor. Professor R. Ravindra, 30 years in education and is currently associated with RR College of Pharmacy as an HOD of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Principal at Raman College of Pharmacy, Bangalore, ABMR College of Pharmacy, Bangalore, Rural College of Pharmacy, Aristotle College of Pharmacy, KGF. Author of a book, Viva Voce for Pharmacy Students, Inspector of Pharmacy Council of India, founder president of IPA Peenya Bengaluru, council member of IPA Karnataka State Branch, ex-district chairman of Lions International, NSS officer, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, successfully working as a career guidance advisor since 1989. Member of India Pharmaceutical Association, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Karnataka State Pharmacy Council, conducted many health and blood donation camps in rural area. Professor Muhammad Salahuddin, a pharmacy graduate with B.Pharm, M.Pharm and PhD from VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Professional life as medical representative after B.Pharm graduation at Glenmark Pharmaceuticals and Bayer India and product manager at Microlabs, Bengaluru. From May 2010 to till date, he is working as professor and principal at Farooqia College of Pharmacy, Mysuru. Guide to M.Pharm and PhD of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Chairman, Board of Studies, UG Pharmacy, Academic Council member, external member, Board of Studies B.Pharm, Anapoya University, Mangaluru, Assistant Editor for RJPS Journal of RGOHS, Bengaluru, Journal Secretary, Karnataka State Pharmacy of College, Principals Association, Bengaluru, Vice President, IPA, Mysore Branch, Advisory Member, Karnataka Registered Pharmacist Association, Mysuru. Professor Muhammad Gulzar Ahmed, D.Pharm and B.Pharm from Sri Adi Chunchanagari College of Pharmacy, M.Pharm from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Science, PhD from RGOHS, 21 years of professional experience that includes teaching, research and administration, Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Anapoya University. Member, Local Inspection Committee from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science and Pharmacy Council of India. Faculty of Pharmacy, RGOHS, Member Academic Council, Anapoya University. Chairman, Institutional Ethical Committee, Sri Hasinamba Dental College and Hospital, Hasin. Professor Prashant Kharkar, B.Pharm, ND MVPS College of Pharmacy, Nasik, M.Pharm and PhD, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, University of Mumbai, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Professor at Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Published more than 60 research papers in reputed international journals and presented more than 40 abstracts in the conferences of international repute such as Gordon Research Conferences, ACS meeting, etc. Member of national and international professional studies, received many prestigious international awards. Giridhar Kamath, BCom, Bachelor of Law, and a fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, avid trekker, traveler, kite flyer, trainer, and a practicing chartered accountant. Former chairman of Mangaluru branch of ICAI, former president of YHAI Mangaluru. Trustee of Animal Care Trust, Guru Smriti Trust, Shamata Training, arm of World Konkani Center. Nidish S. Shetty, BTech and MTech from Manipal Institute of Technology, Vice Chairman of Sridevi Education Trust, Mangaluru, instrumental in developing 9 institutions of Sridevi Trust. Dr. Sudhakar Bangera, a medical graduate with MBBS, MD Pharmacology, and Masters in Clinical Trials, a multifaceted healthcare and clinical research professional having coordinated several hundred complex global clinical studies in various capacities as COO, country manager, vice president, director in several national and international pharmaceutical organizations, and professor in medical, dental, physiotherapy, nursing colleges. Currently, managing his consulting firm, Eileen Clinical Research Services at Hyderabad. Mentor to students, faculty, and healthcare startup entrepreneurs at several IITs, CCMB, CCAM, IKP, MNR, Nexus Startup at USA Embassy, and many others on clinical development and regulatory requirements. Thus, I welcome all the guests of honor to the logo launch program of Aloka Foundation. Thank you.
About Aloka Foundation. Aloka has been started with a simple vision of serving people who are meant to be served and creating a movement to reach the places which are often missed out. Our philosophy leans towards making an impact by creating a strong base for the society, which would set up the tough pillars for upcoming generations by uplifting the people who need help. Creating awareness and educating people in various aspects of education and health will be our motto. We strive to serve the society in every possible way and bring a positive change in human lives. Thus, our foundation will work towards converting this world into a better place to live for every deprived soul, and taking them on a journey of not so happy to ever smiling is what we thrive.
The main objectives of our foundation are to provide financial support, schemes in order to undertake and carry out charitable education, help orphanages, old age homes, poor houses for the welfare of the people, provide food, medicine, and monetary help to the students for educational purposes, render monetary and other assistance for the relief of people affected by natural and other calamities, planting plants and trees in order to maintain greenery and forest, thus involving as major contributors to the environment, running of welfare and other services to the public, and provide socially useful activities and funds to publish books, pamphlets for the spread and advancement of education and awareness, providing counsel services and guidelines to the public.
Founder members: Professor Pramod Bhaskar Kumar. Sir completed his Bachelor of Pharmacy from SVB College of Pharmacy affiliated to Mumbai University and Masters in Pharmaceutical Chemistry from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. He worked for pharmaceutical companies such as Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad, Torrent Research Center, Ahmedabad, Wockhardt Research Center, Aurangabad, Piramal Life Sciences, Mumbai. Presently, he is working as Associate Professor in Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. Rewards and recognition. Awarded for contributions in delivering lead compound in P13K inhibitor series in 18th October 2009. Awarded for contribution in discovery of an indelible molecule during period of April to July 2010. Dr. Kantini Pramod Kumar. Ma'am completed BA-MS from CSMSS Ayurved Mahavidyalaya, Aurangabad, and postgraduate proficiency in Panchakarma from Tilak Ayurved Mahavidyalaya, Pune. She is presently completing post-graduation diploma guidance and counseling from St. Agnes PG Center, Mangalore. Ma'am worked as an administrator and was a tutor at Rosebud English School, Aurangabad. Apart from that, she also practiced as an Ayurveda consultant in Aurangabad. Presently, she is working as a volunteer at Chaitanya Trust, Mangalore. Expertise. Conducted various camps for skill training for students, conducted various yoga shibers, delivered lectures on Ayurveda and herbal medicinal uses in diet. Dr. Manohar Naik K. Sir completed his D Pharma and B Pharma degree from Nitya University, Mangalore. He received his M Pharma Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. Dr. Manohar Naik completed his PhD from JJT University, Rajasthan. Sir worked as an assistant professor at Karavali College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. Presently, Sir is working as an assistant professor at Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. He has published more than 10 articles in international journals.
Our young founder members, Mr. Mohammad Mishal, student of 5th year PharmD of Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. Mr. Pravesh Bandari, student of 4th year Pharm B, Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. Ms. Durga Priya S., student of 2nd year M.Pharm, Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore.
The Board of Trustees. They are the members who will maintain the balance and the working of the foundation and its further growth. The fellow members are Ms. Smita Shetty, Mr. Yakshit, Mr. Ganesh Nayak, Mr. Dhanya Bapanad, Ms. Janita Vegas, Mr. Suraj, Mr. Ritesh Alva, Mr. Praveen Raj, Mr. Sunil Prabhu, Mr. Manish Kundar, and Mr. Prithviraj Kolal.
Our organization has also made various committees. Foundations. The various committees that work for our organization are the Finance Committee, Fundraising, Event Planning Committee, Web Designers and Content Creators, Media Management, and Coordinators.
Now, finally, it is the time that we all have awaited for, and we all have gathered here for this. It is the logo launch of Aloka Foundation.